In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Klaviyo email marketing for Shopify. Once you are inside your Klaviyo account, start by looking at the left-hand navigation menu. Click Campaigns. This is where you create one-time email sends like product launches, promotions, announcements, or seasonal updates. Next, go to the top right and click Create Campaign. Klaviyo will ask what type of campaign you want to build. Select Email, then give your campaign a clear, descriptive name. A good name helps you stay organized later, especially when you are reviewing results or running multiple promotions. After you name it, click Continue. Now it is time to choose who will receive your email. Select your recipient list or segment. Lists are usually your main groups, like your full subscriber list, while segments are more specific audiences based on behavior or attributes. For Shopify, segments are often useful for targeting shoppers based on engagement or past purchases. Once you have selected the correct audience, click Next. On the content screen, enter your subject line and your preview text. The subject line is what people see first in their inbox, and the preview text supports it, so make sure they match and clearly describe the email. Then choose a template. If you already have branded templates, pick the one that fits your goal. Open it and begin editing in drag and drop mode. This editor lets you adjust layout and content blocks without needing code, so take your time to update images, headlines, product sections, buttons, and any links. When you are happy with the design, click Next. You will move into a review area. Here, carefully check your subject line, preview text, and the other key campaign details. This is also a good moment to scan for typos, make sure your links work, and confirm the message matches the audience you selected. When everything looks correct, click Next again. Finally, click Schedule or Send. Decide whether you want to schedule the email for a specific date and time or send now. Scheduling is helpful when you want to align with a sale start time or send when your audience is most active. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.